Hello everyone, I'm Christine from Canada Music Lessons, and today we are going to be continuing our 16-part series of learning to play the piano. In this lesson, we are going to celebrate all you have learned in the last 16 weeks with a song that brings it all together. If you haven't seen our first videos, you can check them out in the description box below, and if you're interested in more free music lessons, be sure to subscribe and like this video. So, today our song is called Step and a Skip. It's going to take all of our right hand notes and it's going to take stepping and skipping and mix it all together in one song. So remember, we learned in the last couple of weeks, stepping means we're going up one by one. Okay, so if we look at our song, that would be measure 1. Line note, space note, line note, space note. It's following our stepping pattern. And then on measure 3, you can see an example of where we learned skipping. So we have line, 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 line. Okay, so if you have any trouble with that, you can go back to lesson 15 where we talked about skipping and lesson 14 where we explained what is stepping. Okay, and then remember, you can always just follow your letters until you get used to recognizing these patterns. Okay, so let's take a look. So we know all of these notes. We know how to do a slur. Remember, slur, we're going to make it nice and smooth when we see that curved line on top. So let's celebrate together. Let's do our last song with our right hand to finish up this series. So start with your thumb on C, and let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's some skipping coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. One, two, three, 4. So give yourself a hand. You made it through 16 lessons. You've learned 5 notes. You've learned slurs. You've learned how to step your notes, and you've learned how to skip. So this is amazing progress. You should be very proud of yourself. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, be sure to put them down in the comments. And if you're interested in another series like this, where we go over how to read the notes on the left hand, let me know in the comments. If enough of you are interested, we'll look at making another series just like this, but for the left hand. If you're looking for high-quality online music lessons, check out our website at canadamusiclessons.com. We offer a variety of instruments for all ages. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.